Hello guys, so today in this video I'll talk about how to make a chicken butter masala and tandoori roti. So in order to make chicken butter masala, you need a lot of different combination of spices. You need some butter, oil, ginger, garlic paste, kasuri methi, chicken, tomato paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, chicken masala, green chilies, fresh coriander for garnish. You can also use boneless chicken. You can also add some cream to the mix too. Um, Now, all you need to do is to heat oil, throw in the ginger garlic paste, and chicken, and fry it till changes color. Add butter, then tomato paste. Mix it very well. Let it come to a boil. Keep stirring. Then add some spices along with kasuri methi, followed by cream. Garnish with green chilies, green and coriander, and that's how you make the chicken butter masala. Now, in order to make tandoori roti, you need to have a griddle. So, to make tandoori rotis, you need to make the rotis on a griddle. Uh, so you have to use an iron griddle or a steel one. You need a little experimentation to get the knack, like how hot should be the flame, and rotating the griddle evenly so that the corner of rotis are cooked well. All right, so make small rotis so that the burner flame makes out. Keep flame low to medium, or as needed. You need to experiment with the burner flame to get the perfect rotis, as it depends upon your griddle thickness and burner capacity. For me, it worked on medium flame, so that's how you make a tandoori roti. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos like this.